Nakatanan. Market. Exchange your note paper. Time is up na. Okay, number one. Number one, answer. Answer number one. Number one, drying. Number two, yes, anak. Salting. Number three, anak. Ice cream. Freezing. Number four, Dylan. Canned tuna. Processing. Number five. Processing. Six. Yes, Regine. Six. Regine, number six. Stand up, Regine, number six. Number six?
Drying.
Sige, saan lagi? Okay, drying. Number seven. Yes. Salting. Number eight. Clean. Freezing. Number nine. Processing. Number 10.
Drying.
Drying. Kailan mo sa number 10? Oh, sama na. Beef kulo. Pero baboy. Kailan mo sa na?
Beef.
Beef. Yung sa kanang beef dry. Beef dry. Muna siya dry mango. Huwag perfect. Huwag perfect. Rose, yan. Sa pilitan na naliliyak. Bakit ko? Amanda, isa ba? Lynn? What about nine? Isa na po nine. Very good. Eight. Eight. Okay, now. What again is freezing?
Nasarap.
Freezing? Nasarap? Freezing? Boys at the back. Pabrika. What is drying? Pabrika, stand up. Wala pang mahal mo diya. Explain drying. Last na lang mo yan. Pamupatan, takdan sa kabalik. Drying is removing water from food, and salting is using salt to draw out moisture from food. And freezing is storing food at very low temperature, and processing is changing food in some way. Any question? Kasapot ratanan?
Yes, ma'am.
Asin, kasapot jod?
Yes, ma'am.
Anong mga perfect?
Perfect food. Perfect.
Pwede mo kailan beef jerky? Beef jerky?
Yeah.
Ano na nagkakot sa garlic? Go. Ngaging. Right. Go ka friends. I think oras na kanan. Sagot na wala. Any question? Be honest. May pangutanan, nag-insuran?
Wala.
That's it?
Yes, ma'am.
Huwag tayo kitawa, dili mo ka. Guys, exam, dili mo ka. Ani? Wala na, Jod, okay na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you and goodbye, everyone.
Alright. Thank you, ma'am.
Good.